Hi there traders and investors, today is Thursday, April 11. I'm glad to greet you online and share fresh market review prepared for InstaForex. The currency market traded with a high volatility yesterday because of the inflation data released in the US. The annual CPI was a bit higher than expected, that enabled a rally of the US dollar. A couple of my trading ideas, in particular for the pound sterling and crude oil, were successfully implemented. I think you participated in these moves. Now let's discuss how it happened on the charts. Here's the chart of gold. The metal has been trading higher. I've detected an interesting level from which the price could plunge abruptly to $23.17 per troy ounce. So we could go short as gold left a nice bearish target. We could earn 2,000 pips from that move. After yesterday's slumps in the currency market, gold is the most overbought instrument. The euro-dollar pair had the steepest fall of 1,300 pips. Currently, the instrument is extending its slide. I want to remind you that not all targets on this instrument have been hit yet, because the low of April has not been tested. I reckon it's a question of time. Yesterday, I was amazed about the technically predictable move, so I managed to earn on sell positions. The euro is correlated with the pound sterling. I warned you about the sharp fall of the British pound. This forecast has come true. The first target for the euro-dollar pair is the low of last week, but there are lower targets. As for the pound-dollar pair, not all targets have been hit, though some of them have been nicely pierced, including the low of the last week and the low of February. The nearest target is the level of February 6. The price is missing about 500 pips from it. There are no more targets for this instrument. I don't mean that it will reverse its trajectory immediately. The Australian dollar is also extending its weakness, moving towards bearish targets. On the other hand, there are a lot of bullish targets. Ideally, I want to take advantage of low liquidity first. Then, I want to buy the Aussie at lows and earn from a nice long upward move. The dollar-yen pair took a nosedive. The Bank of Japan was watching this slump yesterday. The dollar-yen pair tumbled by 500 pips and was bought straight away. I didn't see any sharp moves in the Asian session today. The yen's strengthening yesterday did not correlate with other instruments. I believe this happened because the Bank of Japan intervened on Forex. Lately, the dollar-yen pair smashed the highs of 2022 and 2023. It's now trading at incredible peaks which have been recorded with this instrument. The currency pair is expected to fall sooner or later. That's all for today. I wanted to tell you, see you online next week.